Who will get the first knockdown? Not me, apparently. Alright, Racer Dash, you get the gold medal for first knockdown. And then, yeah. I am the butt of the joke this race, okay. Can I get somebody? No, it doesn't look like it. Come on, I just want to knock down. Or I'll take that too. Okay. Can I get anybody? Please, somebody! No! It's a car you really want. The 22,000
later.
And then that is how they decided the ranks. So it's gonna happen every time. I just know it. And oh my gosh, I just remembered this race. I take back what I said about not having problems, because this race, if I was not doing sequential races, I would probably have taken this one out. Because it's just so annoying. At first glance, it seems fine. We've got 5 F12 TDFs, yeah, more of those, and then we had a guy who tried to maybe 360 me, but then my game lagged right when he touched me, and I got knocked down. So now we're an 8 out of 8, but, I mean, that's obviously not the end of things, because this car is extremely fast. It literally is like 60 miles per hour faster than all the other cars in the race. However, this isn't exactly the most top-speed oriented track. It's got lots of turns and stuff like that, but I still thought, well, they're not too far ahead, so maybe I can catch up after all. And it did seem for a while that I was going to be able to do that. I'd gotten into 7 out of 8, and I was catching up to the 6th place guy here, and I then bumped into him, somehow didn't knock him down, but then I bumped the wall, and almost thought why oh why did I put this race in the video? And then I shockwave up to here, got this nitro, and lost to an F12 TDF in a Regira. Let's move on to the next race. Put it there. Wait, I hit Freeze's dead car, and thereby Now what are you in first place? I'm coming for you. Oh! We did it! No, we didn't! No, dang it! That was close. Ah! 2 frames different. Well, GG to you, True Doge. Hello, people directly behind me.
Now, much further directly behind me. That was pretty funny.
Why can't I get anybody? It's like everybody's invincible, and then there's just me. Come on! Come on! Ah! I can hit people all over the place, and nothing. Finally, I got somebody. Yes! Yeah! Come on! Ah, come on! Yes! It's yes! Finally! It's working! I wrecked on purpose. Yes! Going on a rampage! Yeah, boy! Yeah! I've now gotten... Okay. I was gonna say, I got 6 knockdowns in a row, but then I died, and then it lost that streak. That was that's pretty good, though. Especially after the beginning of that race. Ah! Yeah! I'm just gonna say yeah every time I get a knockdown. That'll probably get annoying. So, I take that back. I'm not gonna do that. No, I'm not gonna do that after all. Not gonna do that. But okay. Well, I can always knock down myself too. I guess that's possible. That's a possibility. Where's everybody going? Don't you want to die? I mean that in the best way possible. Okay.
Later.
Videos all the time. Okay, what? How does that even happen? Bruh. Third time's the charm? Dude, what is this? What? Why am I not able to join anything? What in the world?
Later.
Okay, that may be too high. Please don't. Okay, good. But then, to be honest, Ancient Ruins is not my best track, as you might be able to tell. And this guy's gonna get. Hello there. Please go away. I just don't want to get last. I'm gonna get last. Yep, I'm gonna get last. Aww. Oh well. Can't win them all. Ooh, wait. 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 What? What? What just happened? That was weird. Unfortunately, my Atom is not maxed. Wow, I actually knocked down 2 people. Not that I wanted to, but it's better than getting knocked down myself. Boom! Now that, I must admit, I was kind of trying to do because I thought it would be funny. You didn't hear that. Don't clip that, anybody. I didn't knock down anybody on purpose. Not at all. Why would I do that? That's not me.
FBI, open up!
Thank you all for watching. Please like the video if you've enjoyed and consider subscribing for more Asphalt 9 and Forza Horizon 4 content. And I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.